Some people have been saying that you need a letter of authorization from brands if you want to actually resell them brands on Amazon, if you do retail arbitrage or online arbitrage. Let me tell you guys right now at the beginning of the video, it is not true. And I'm going to show you that it is not true. And I wanted to actually react to this because I received some comments on a previous video. So pretty much this is this video. Before we actually get into this, my name is Mangunza. Let me introduce myself. Okay, I release daily videos about selling on Amazon. So if you are new here, subscribe. If you actually want to scale your business, I have a coaching group that starts on April 21st. You can get in for $99 a month. Weekly calls, you have direct access to me, all right? Whatever. I released this video last summer, okay, 6 months ago, while I was in Belgium. And so pretty much it's a video on how to get a brand authorization letter to get ungated on Amazon. And so in this video, I pretty much say that you do not need a brand authorization letter to sell on Amazon, okay? It is not needed. You just need a receipt or an invoice with a purchase of 10 units, submit it to Amazon, you'll get ungated, okay? You do not need a brand authorization letter, or also called a letter of authorization, all right? And so this guy, he said, you're right, you don't need brand letters, but if Amazon suspects you selling fakes, they will ask you for a letter of authorization, and if you will not be able to provide it, they will suspend your account, okay? To which I replied, it's not true. To prove the authenticity of your inventory, even retail receipts and email confirmation are receivable. Amazon even said themselves in the notice and send you in those cases. Now I have a whole video on the subject. And I'm sorry, friendly and safe, I did not reply to your comments because, by the way, on YouTube, whenever you reply to a comment, I do not always get a notification, right? Sometimes I don't see the reply, so I'm going to send you this video right now because it is right here, okay? I have a video on inauthentic complaint, on how to take care of inauthentic complaints, which is right here, okay? And this one as well. Okay, so I'm going to send those two, and because we are going to talk about those two videos specifically, so let me just copy and paste this right here, copy and paste this right here as well, so you can actually see them. All right, but the reason why I'm making this video is not this, okay? It's not this comment, it's this comment, okay? It is true, I got ungated for a brand, and after I sold 15 pieces, the brand itself sent me a letter to remove the listing and report any inventory I do have to them, or they will sue me and go to court. Stop misleading people just to create content and get views. This is a real thing, not a game. All right, so I'm going to show you if I actually misled people, because I'm actually not misleading people. You are just a lazy ass that do not understand shit about Amazon. Then you come on my channel and you open your loud, dirty ass mouth talking about shit that you do not understand, okay? So let me, because as I always say, if you come on my channel and you say some bullshit, I will expose your ass, and this is what I'm going to do right now. So once again, okay, when it comes to, because if your reading comprehension is below like the 6th grade, there's nothing that I can do for you, okay? Because the issue that you are talking about is something completely different than what I was trying to say in my comment, that what I actually said, because I did not try, this is what I actually said. I said, when it comes to ungating, you do not need a letter of authorization, okay? That's the first part, okay? And so the second part was when I said, not true, it's regarding needing a letter of authorization to prove authenticity of your items, okay? And if you were not a lazy fat ass back bitch, you would have actually made some research and actually found out that. And by the way, I'm not talking to you, Vladik Sass, okay? I'm not talking to you. I'm specifically talking to Look That 987, all right? If you are not a fat back bitch, too lazy to do actual research on the things that you want to, on this business model, you would know. You would have seen that. Actually, like, first of all, I have a whole video about that stuff and about actually, and this is the first part, okay? This is, oops, let me just do this because I cannot share my screen. Here we go. If you are not a lazy bitch, you, like, on this video, I actually share this and actually show you what Amazon actually requires if you are suspended, okay? And so this is, I literally shared my screen showing, like, if you actually watched my other videos and you actually made some research, you would have known that. This is the notice that Amazon sends you whenever you receive an inauthentic complaint. To prove that your items are authentic, to activate your listing, please provide copies of invoices, or receipts from your suppliers. Okay, so to prove authenticity, as this comment was asking, okay, the comment above, which is this one, okay, saying that they will ask for a letter of authorization. If not, they will suspend your account. It is not true. You can see it in the video that I showed you, okay? It is literally a notice that Amazon sent me when I received a complaint that I was able to fight with retail receipt or with, I think it was a notice from when I was doing with Arbitrage, so yes, I was able to fight it with a retail receipt. But invoices work as well. Invoice and retail receipts work, okay? Invoice, retail receipts, order confirmation, all this will work to prove the authenticity. I was replying to this, so no, once again, this comment, okay, this part of the first comment is not true. It is not true at all, okay? You do not need letter of authorization to do this. But when it comes to what you are actually saying, you dumb ass, look that. It's true, I couldn't get it for a brand and later I sold 15 pieces of the brand itself. Send me a letter to remove the listing and report any inventory, okay? If you're dumb ass, were to actually make more research into that subject, okay, you will have noticed that I have a whole video right here, okay? And by the way, that thumbnail was a masterpiece. I was so inspired when I was doing thumbnails last year. Like, it is a masterpiece. But if you did a little bit of research, okay, and you just typed on YouTube how to deal like cease and desist letters from brands or cease and desist letters, Amazon FBA, you would have found this video where I actually talk about the subject that you are talking about right there, okay, that you said that you received, because you literally received a cease and desist letter, and I have a whole video talking about that subject. I have a whole video talking about that subject. So yes, of course, I'm making videos to get some views. I do not make videos to get 3 views on them. This is not the point. Yes, but I'm not right here trying to mislead people. You are. You are misleading people because you have no idea what you talk about, and yet you come on YouTube leaving dumb ass comment showing that you do not know what you are talking about. So if somebody is actually misleading people, it's all of you guys that do not understand what you are talking about, that just started selling on Amazon and then you just open your loud ass mouth talking about stuff that you do not understand, okay? Before you actually come and affirm stuff about a specific business model that you've been just running for 3 months. Get some experience under your belt so you can understand how the business model works. You understand what works, what doesn't work, and because you do not need a letter of authorization to sell products on Amazon, okay? Stop saying this. It is not true. Watch all those videos, okay? Watch all those videos. Watch this one, okay? Amazon FBA online arbitrage is illegal. Stop doing it now. Search for it on the search bar, okay? You just type this name right there. I'm not going to link it for you. I'm not going to make it easy because you are a lazy ass, all right? Also deal with unauthentic complaints on Amazon, because if you receive unauthentic complaints, you're gonna see that you can actually deal with it with retail receipts and with not with a letter of authorization, but with retail receipt, email confirmation, and invoices. Okay, and this is to destroy your second argument. And then with the thing that you actually have noticed, that you have actually experienced. Okay, I have a video on how to deal with this. Okay, so if somebody is misleading people, it's you, not me. All right, so I literally just woke up and I saw this bullshit on my channel, so I actually had to make a video about that. I had a video that I was supposed to release on outsourcing, but this is the video that you guys get today, okay? Because whenever I see some dumb comments and I get pissed off, I need to exteriorize all that angriness that I have in me when I receive those comments. So I just woke up, and literally the minute I woke up, I saw a notification for that specific reply. All right, so yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Watch this video, by the way. Yeah, watch this video, whatever. I'll see you tomorrow.